guys, how's it going? In today's video, we're gonna be discussing like a lot of things. Namaste, Molson Coolers, my thoughts, Tilray, Tesla, and just those four in general. Maybe I'll just name it like Namaste. I don't know what I'll name it, but I'll think of something a funky name. So clickbait video. So before I begin, some of you may not have received my emails. If you're watching this video, please go to your edit profile. When you're in my page, go to your edit profile and then click off notification when someone I agree to receive instructional and promotional email from Stock Market Mastery. So please have that one turned on, because then I can email you and it will actually go through. I tested it with someone, so I know it works. So if you're not receiving emails from me and you're watching this video, please go to I agree to receive instructional and promotional email from the Stock Market Mastery. But just in case nobody does, at the end of every trading day, I will post my trades for the entire day, so you know exactly what trades I made. I'll email at the beginning of the day, but at the end of the day, I'll post my trades. Some days I might not even buy anything, so I won't post anything. But if I make a trade that day, I will definitely post and let you guys know. So let's get on with Namaste. So Namaste is getting investigated by Bernstein, Liberate Hard, LPP. They're basically, this isn't my assumption, but I think they're like a lawyer firm, and they're investigating in I guess in Namaste, because shareholders are probably on behalf of shareholders, because shareholders are probably pissed off because the stock price dropped on them, and they lost a lot of money. So and they think that there's something wrong with the company. They think the company's a fraud. They think the company's a pump and dump. So they basically got a law firm together, and they paid the law firm to go investigate the Namaste. And then Citron came out, used this weakness to do an investigation in the company. I mean, to basically short sell the company. So that's what I think's happening. According to my research, Citron sometimes get it right, but their track record is not so great. I mean, most of the stocks that they tried to short it all recovered and they were wrong about. So, I mean, honestly, to me, I'll take the risk. So if this stock drops down to $1.50, I'm gonna definitely buy some shares. But even if it drops below $2, I'm definitely gonna pick up some shares, because I've been following the company for a long time, and honestly, I don't know what they did really wrong. I don't know what they did wrong. Like, they're saying that, they investigate potential security fraud claims on behalf of shareholders. Executives may have issued materially misleading business information to the investing public. What misleading information did Namaste provide? That they're not going to list on the NASDAQ? They said that they qualify to list on the NASDAQ. Maybe they're lying about that. Who knows? Maybe there's a possibility. They said that they got the paperwork signed and everything, but maybe they lied about that. So that's definitely a risk if they did lie about having the approval signed and everything, and the lawyer firm actually catch them red-handed. Then the investors who hired this law firm will get to sue Namaste. But unless the lawyer firm actually finds some actual proof, then maybe, that's right now it's definitely a risk but I'm willing to take that risk because I don't think they really did anything wrong. I think they did apply for the Nasdaq, and they were only missing the stock price. So I don't know. Let's see what management has to say about this. This is definitely interesting. I mean, this is definitely a risk. I'm not saying it isn't. I mean, the law firm might actually be successful and might find some kind of corruption in Namaste. I'm not saying that there's no corruption there. I'm saying it's totally possible. I don't believe it. I don't believe there's corruption in Namaste, but you know, I could be totally wrong. There could be corruption in Namaste. I'm not, you know, so that's definitely a risk. I'm not saying it's not a risk, but I'm still willing to buy the stock because I don't think the management did anything wrong. That's just me personally. So if the stock price drops, I'm definitely going to be buying in and doing some swing trades on this company because it's very volatile right now, and you can make great money off of it. So that's just my 2 cents on this. So yeah, like Namaste is 222. Because of that news, they dropped 5% today. But I mean, so I guess investors didn't care too much because it only dropped 5%. I mean, if it drops back, like if it drops down to like $1.80, definitely picking some up. If it drops up to $1.40, oh, I'm definitely picking some up. Like even more up than I would at $1.80. I'm willing to take the risk at $1.40. Because I still believe in management. So, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. So somebody asked me what I think about the Molson, Cooler Canada, and Hexo joint venture. I think it's a good move. I mean, I think it's good for Hexo, and it's beneficial for both companies because Hexo issued 11.5 million warrants to Molson at a price of $6, and every time a warrant gets exercised, the company gets money. So if Molson decides to exercise these warrants at $6, this will give I'll just show you. So it's $6 times 11,500. This will give them $69 million of cash if if Molson Cooler decides to exercise those warrants at $6. And then if the stock price of the warrants, if the stock price is way above $6, say it was $10 or $12, they can instantly go around and just sell that stock and then just make more money, make everything back. So it's beneficial for both parties. Hexo gets money if they exercise the warrant, and Molson will get money if Hexo does well. So Molson really can't lose on this deal. Hexo, well, if they get the exercise warrant, then they make some free money, and they go into a joint venture with Molson, so they can get into the beverage and consumable business, and they have a big partner to help them. So I mean, it's positive and it's negative, but it's not that exciting. What would have been more exciting is if Molson Cooler came in and bought out Hexo. They put like 10% warrant for like $1 billion, or 20% for $1 billion with warrants to buy the company, 50% for another like $3 billion or something. That would be extremely exciting. But nope, it's joint venture, and it's kind of boring. Will the stock price go to $10? Anything's possible. I don't think anything's possible. It is considered one of the bigger players in the cannabis industry. They're considered probably the same size as CannTrust, but CannTrust has better quality than Hexo because CannTrust has an indoor facility while Hexo has pure greenhouses. So TrustCan makes high quality. I mean, TrustCan does have a greenhouse now, and they're producing on the scale of 50,000 kilograms combined with the greenhouse and the indoor facility. So I don't know if Hexo's greenhouse quality product is good. I don't know for sure. Like they're using greenhouses, so hopefully. Right, I know the greenhouse is not GMP certified, so they can't ship it to Europe or anything. They have to strictly sell it in Canada, and you know, there's a lot of companies out there, like Huge is saying that, you know, they are gonna sell lots of cannabis because they are gonna grow indoor and they're gonna use hydroponic, so they're gonna beat out all the greenhouses. So I mean, that could be true. Maybe, like, what happened if Hexo products doesn't sell very well and then Huge comes in with their high quality product? I mean, it's possible. They come up with super high quality product and good branding, and their product sells like hotcake while Hexo's having a hard time selling their product. I don't know. I don't know for sure, because I know quality of product matters to, like, stoners. Like, hardcore pot smokers care about the quality of the cannabis. Maybe the average consumer who are curious couldn't give the flying ass about how high quality the product is as long as they get stoned. But, you know, true hardcore stoners will care about the quality of the products, and those are the customers that Aurora is after. Aurora wants those high quality. They want the true stoners. And Canopy also wants the true stoners. Hexo is just trying to... I think, this is my opinion though, I could be totally wrong. I think Hexo is just like trying to cater to everyone with beautiful branding, but they don't really care that since it's greenhouses, they don't have, you know, high quality product. I could be wrong though. Maybe they have a special recipe that makes their greenhouse products super high quality. I don't know. I don't know for sure. Maybe when legalization comes, I can buy some of Hexo's product, and I can buy some Aurora product, and I can compare. Like, I can be like, okay, is Hexo product better than Aurora product? You know, like, I can tell. I can tell if the product is high quality or low quality. That's just me, because, you know, yeah. I've been rambling on too much about this. Yeah, so, if you guys didn't know, like, if the holder do not exercise the warrant, the company does not receive any cash, so they don't issue any new shares. So when those warrants gets exercised, new shares gets issued, the company gets cash. That's how it works. Tilray price $450 million at 5% convertible deal. I think this is awesome. It's 5%, so it's not too bad. I mean, Aurora and Canopy got a little bit better. They got in the 4%. But, you know, 5% is still not bad. 5% is still pretty good. And $450 million is a lot of money. And the sweet part about this is Tilray stock won't get affected because this is convertible debentures, so they don't have to exercise those warrants. So the share structure, so Tilray will still have a lot of money to go around trying to grow the company, while the rich people still can manipulate the stock and move the stock all over the place. So then so traders will come in and get curious and start buying the stock. It's a genius. It's a genius strategy. I think it's genius. So, you know, Tilray is going to get a lot of capital so they can still grow the company, while the rich people can manipulate the stock and move the stock around, so it attracts more and more investors into the Tilray company. That's how I see moving forward. And the fact that Tilray is listed on the the Nasdaq, there's a lot of rich people in the US. So if these rich people can do it right, they can attract billionaires into the stocks and really push the stock price past $300. Tilray could go past $300. I'm not even joking with you. I seriously think Tilray can go past $300. I don't think these investors care about Canopy or Aurora. They just want to pump up their own stocks. And usually, one investor usually scratch another. Like, billionaires usually scratch each other's backs, so like they always back each other up. So like, it's like a circle of billionaire friends, you know. Like, if you're a billionaire, who's gonna be your friend? Who's gonna be your 5 friends? Are they gonna be like broke people on the street? No, they're gonna be other billionaires. So if you're a billionaire, you have multiple billionaire friends, and then they have multiple billionaire friends, and then it creates a chain network of billionaires. And if they can gather enough billionaires, this stock can easily be manipulated to like ridiculous amounts if they wanted to. It's just my opinion. This is just my opinion. For Tilray stock, it actually kind of interests me now. Like, maybe I'll do an investment, and I'm gonna make an exclusive video. It's not gonna be an animated video. It's gonna be an exclusive video where my strategy for trading Tilray, because I think I'm gonna actually touch. I'm gonna touch Tilray now. I'm gonna touch them with my greasy hands, give it a massage. But I'm thinking of actually trading, like maybe swing trading Tilray. Like, I'm seriously thinking about it. And I'm gonna make a video exclusively for my members, my strategy with Tilray, because this news excites me. The fact that they're getting $450 million, they're still growing the company. So okay, they have excellent money now, and the stock is still gonna be very tightly traded, so it can be easily manipulated. And I don't think these billionaires are gonna suddenly, like, I don't think the stock will ever drop below $100 ever again. So oops, gave away my strategy a little bit. But you guys will find out my true strategy if you're in my stock market membership group. Tesla declined because because the bad news came out. The judge gave Musk and the SEC a week to submit a joint letter explaining why she should approve their settlement. The minimal determine of whether the agreement is appropriate before approving the deal. So this news caused a weakness in the stock, and I don't care anymore. I'm gonna put blind faith into Elon Musk. If I see a good price on this, I'm gonna pick up. And if you're in my stock market membership group, if I bought Tesla or not. I'll have the proof and everything. So stay tuned for that if you're a shareholder. I guess that's it for the video. I hope it's 10 minutes. Oh, 17 minutes. Wow, I really made that long. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, please give me a thumbs down. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.